Hey everybody, Juanita McDowell here. I was teaching some instructors on Zoom today and they asked the question, how do I see my notes while I'm presenting online? I don't want my students to see my notes, but I want to be able to see my notes. So I promised to do a tutorial to show them how to do that on Zoom, and I'm a woman of my word. Let's go. Okay, I'm in Zoom. First step. Share your screen, find your PowerPoint presentation, select share. The next step you want to do is go into your presenter mode. So let's go ahead, select slideshow. You're going to see 3 dots, bottom left side, give that a click. And you want to select show presenter view. And then here's the last step. You want to go to display settings and you want to select swap presenter view and slideshow. There you go. And now you are seeing your slides. You're also seeing your notes, but your participants are only seeing your slides. Okay, that's it. If you have additional Zoom questions, leave them in the comments below. Until next time, don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.